guests on the dais, and may I say Parivar members of Construct now, respected jury members of Construct, members of the press, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. SRMB, I believe, needs no introduction in West Bengal, but still I would like to disseminate few bits of information for ready reference of our esteemed guests. We are at 1200 crore steel group, born, nurtured and proudly headquartered in West Bengal, that's Calcutta in particular. We are an end-to-end integrated steel manufacturer, that is from iron ore to finished products. Our primary focus is TMT bars, and we are among the top 2 brands in Eastern India. We have served requirements of almost all top 100 construction and real estate companies on all India basis. Our company is constantly looking for opportunities to collaborate and incubate effective initiatives which bring meaningful contribution to society in general and construction industry in particular. I am happy to inform that through Unnati, our company has been able to provide training to more than 15,000 masons all across West Bengal. Another of our well-received initiative is Rods and Bars, which is setting up of most modern steel testing UTM machines at company dealer outlets. Any customer can get any brand of steel tested in these outlets free of cost. The customer is received by a qualified engineer to provide advisory on construction related issues. We have more than 8 such centers operating in various districts of West Bengal, in addition to some centers in adjoining states. I would like to thank and congratulate Dr. Jaydeep Datta, Professor B.K. Sengupta and Orion. I would like to thank and congratulate Dr. Jaydeep Datta, Professor B.K. Sengupta and Orion, without whom the concept of Construct would not have been possible. We at SRMB take pride in our association with Construct. Our engineers and architects have been making India proud by conceptualizing and building world-class structures all over the country. In fact, I was having discussion with Devashish sir, sitting there, about the transformation that is Rajarhat and how I believe in times to come Rajarhat would take pride of place. I don't, not only in Calcutta but maybe in India also. So in fact it's a good showpiece in years to come, sir, for tourists arriving from Calcutta and Calcutta airport. So this is a prime example, I would say. It is high time that the industry, its professionals and academia came together in unison to celebrate their achievement. The aspect of Construct that gives me particular joy is the involvement of engineering colleges and upcoming students to participate and show their talent to the world. They are the future stars and Construct may act as a catalyst for their growth. Another initiative that differentiates Construct is that the award is meant to reach grassroots level in each district of West Bengal and may unearth a lot of hidden engineering and architectural talents from our districts. Lastly, I would like to reaffirm that SRMB is committed to support Construct to the best of our ability and we wish Construct a very, very bright future. It has all the potential to go national in the coming years. Thank you very much.